Hello Miss Ira, my name is John Blaismo Wijaya, and now I'm going to talk about myself. My motivation to learn English is very universal language, so I can basically use English in every country, and so it's gonna be useful for me one day if I go to another country or make a place for work at another country. So my motto for life is take the risk or lose the chance. Now I'm gonna talk about myself. The three topics that I choose is family, hobbies, and food. First, I'm gonna talk about my family. I have a small family that consists of four people: my father, my mother, my sister, and me. Usually, I spend my time with my family after I go to college. I call home. Usually I go home. Then I usually come home at 5 o'clock. So after that, I spend my time with my family. Mostly we eat together and talk about our day. I have one hobby which is basketball, and I developed this hobby when I first go to junior high school. I usually spend my time on my hobby, which is basketball, almost 3 times a week. My advantage of basketball being my hobby is basketball is very basic. Basketball is basically an exercise. So my benefit for being basketball as my hobby is so I can become healthier and more stronger. Last thing I'm gonna talk about my food. My favorite food is bebek goreng in Indonesia. So usually I eat my favorite food 2 times a month because bebek goreng in Indonesia is very oily and very savory, so it doesn't benefit it doesn't very healthy. I cook a lot of food, but I never tried to cook bebek goreng before, so maybe someday I cook bebek goreng. I enjoy cooking because it's also one of my hobby. So yeah, I enjoy cooking. That's it about myself. I hope you I hope you learned something about myself. Thank you, Miss Ira.